Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to download the official MongoDB GPG key. Use the next command to add the MongoDB repository. Update package list with the following command. Install Mongo database with the next command. Enable it with the following command. Start the MongoDB services with the next command. Check the status with the following command. To ensure that MongoDB is installed correctly, you need to check the version. Run the next command. Now open the MongoDB shell and let's create an administrative user. Run the following command. Exit the MongoDB shell and edit the configuration file with the next command. What's the following configuration? Now restart the Mongo database and connect to it with authentication. Create an application user with the next command. Lastly, verify the connection and authentication with the following command. At this point, Mongo database is fully installed, secured and ready for production use. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.